showing the Maxxfan Plus 4500K by Maxxair. Got it installed just a few minutes ago. Comes with this great little remote control. And show you how this works. Right now I got it coming in a little bit, but I can turn it off completely. The cover closes. Takes a second to do it. I can set it for auto, but for our purposes here, we'll turn it on. Let's air it out. Let's turn up our fan. Really get it going. Not too bad, not too shabby. Really kind of like it. Alright, little demonstration of the power of this little Maxxair fan that I just put in. It's actually got quite a little push. So as you see, I'm standing in the bathroom door of the RV. Mind the mess. Door's over here. Watch what happens. I'm going to turn it on. Get this thing going. Fan's turning on, and it just blows the door open a crack. Reverse the flow. And it just slowly sucks the door shut a little bit. It was doing it a little better a second ago. Alright, a second ago I showed you the way it closed the door when it's blowing out, but I got it turned so it's blowing in now. Watch what it does here. And I got it holding shut, let go, and it just opens. Show you again.